Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the portrait, photo mode or the video mode. We have to enter the settings. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, left side, and tap on the settings here. Now we have to scroll down and tap on Restore to Default Settings. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on OK. And basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Lenovo TAB M11 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.